Hey there, did you know that in 2021, OpenAI created an incredible AI language model called GPT 3.5 that could change the way you make money? Well, today we are diving into the world of making cash with Chatgpt. Segment number 1, the lowdown. So what's the deal with Chatgpt? It's simple. Chatgpt is like a virtual sidekick that can help you make money in several ways. Let's break it down. Point number 1, content creation. Content creation. If you are a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, Chatgpt can help you generate fresh ideas, draft articles, or even come up with catchy titles. Content is king, and Chatgpt is your royal scribe. Point number 2, marketing magic. If you can use Chatgpt to craft compelling ad copy, emails, or social media posts, it's like having a 24/7 marketing expert at your disposal. Point number 3, and don't forget niche knowledge. If you are into stock trading, real estate, or any field, Chatgpt can provide insights and data to help you make informed decisions. Knowledge is money, after all. Segment number 2, Chatgpt freelancing. Now let's talk about freelancing. You can offer your Chatgpt services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, help others with content, research, or even customer support. There is a having demand for Chatgpt skills, and you can use Chatgpt to create cash. Segment number 3, Chatgpt tools. Chatgpt has some fantastic tools like chatbots for websites. You can create and sell chatbots to businesses, improving their customer service and automating tasks. It's like selling the future. Segment number 4, Chatgpt apps. Are you tech savvy? Well, you can develop Chatgpt powered apps that do all sorts of stuff. Think of it as the ultimate money-making app store. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. There's no doubt on making money with Chatgpt, whether you're creating content, freelancing, using Chatgpt tools, or building apps. The AI world is your oyster. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Chatgpt and start making some money. But remember, learning and growing are key. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights and tips on how to maximize your Chatgpt potential. Hit that subscribe button, ring this notification bell, and let's make some money together with Chatgpt. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more AI adventures. See you in the next video.